In 1925, audiences watched living, breathing dinosaurs stomp across a movie screen for the very first time. The film is The Lost World, based on a novel by the creator of Sherlock Holmes, Arthur Conan Doyle. An expedition climbs to a remote plateau where prehistoric creatures have somehow survived. The dinosaurs were brought to life by a young effects artist named Willis O'Brien, using stop-motion animation. He built detailed models with rubber muscles, then moved them a fraction of an inch for each photograph. Thousands of tiny adjustments created the illusion of breathing, fighting, living animals. Nothing like it had ever been seen. Audiences genuinely gasped. It made history off-screen too. In 1925, it became one of the first films ever shown to passengers on an airplane. 8 years later, Willis O'Brien used everything he learned here to animate a giant ape named King Kong. Without The Lost World, the most famous monster in movie history might never have moved. For years, the complete film was thought lost, cut down and scattered. It was slowly rebuilt from surviving prints. Every creature feature since, all the way to Jurassic Park, owes a debt to these wire and rubber dinosaurs. Because it dates to 1925, the film is public domain and free to watch. History gets wild when you actually watch it. Follow The Real Vault for the next one.